Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Izzy token. Name of the token is Izzy, ticker symbol is also Izzy. Now this is a dog meme coin on the Ethereum blockchain. Huge project. It's up 64,440% in the past 24 hours. Huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume. We're going to go over the information on the Izzy token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can see by the Twitter in the corner of the screen here, it says Izzy, Matt Furie's dog. And if you are not in the loop, Matt Furie is the creator of a comic book called The Boysclub, which stars Pepe, the very popular crypto token, along with Brett, Andy, Bird Dog, Land Wolf, you name it. And this is Izzy, Matt Furie's dog. And you can find their Twitter, their x.com at IzzyCoinETH. 43 tweets. Has a link to their Telegram right there. IzzyCoinETH on Telegram. Contract address right there. And then their webpage, izzy-coin.vip. Very popular project, 7,499 Twitter followers. Now, if you are looking to get this token here, it's on the Ethereum blockchain, so you're going to need a wallet that could store Ethereum tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet, MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet. Any one of these wallets would be good. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH, and first of all, you download your wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC, fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Fund your wallet with ETH, go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your ETH for the Izzy token using the contract address you could find right there on the Twitter or on their webpage or Dex Tools, Dex Screener, or Etherscan. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We're going to try to find that in a second, but just also be aware that there is going to be some gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, in their pinned tweet, they basically have a full link tree of all these different pages like the Twitter, Telegram, Dex Tools, chart, webpage, etc. Like 6 different links there. So it says, Izzy is the golden retriever of Matt Furie, the creator of Pepe, has arrived on the Ethereum chain ready to follow in Pepe's footsteps. With the same potential for success, Izzy is poised to make her own mark in blockchain history. Now, their Telegram has 246 subscribers. You could preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this token, like new token listings, partnerships, announcements, all that type of stuff. You're going to be able to find all that on the Twitter and the Telegram. This token right now has a market cap of $2 million. So that is also their fully diluted valuation, doing very well. Like I said, they're up 65,244% in the past 24 hours. And this pair was actually just created on Uniswap 18 hours, 20 minutes ago. That's how brand new this project is here. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $7.7 million. They've had 6,000 506 transactions so far. Now they have a liquidity pool on Uniswap that has $213,000 in it. And according to Dex Screener, it says here 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. Trending number 4 right now on Dex Screener in the Ethereum section. This token has been promoting itself with ads. There is the ads button on there, so they're doing a good job of marketing, shilling the token out and whatnot on Dex Screener there, and maybe other places as well. Now, they do have here an Etherscan that says they have 1,319 holders so far. There is 9 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 420,690,000,000 Izzy tokens. Now, on their webpage, they do have a link to buy that will take you to Uniswap. They do have a how to buy section. In case you didn't understand how I explained it, just follow the steps on their webpage. The contract address is there as well. It says, our mission is to create a playful environment where everyone can participate, share memes, and enjoy the ride with Izzy. You'll find a unique blend of entertainment and investment opportunities. So it does say 0% taxes on their webpage, so you will not have to set slippage when buying, selling, or transferring the token. It says contract renounced, LP burned, and tons of links on their page. Uniswap, Dex Screener, Dex Tools, Twitter, Telegram, and contact email, all at the bottom of their webpage. Now, there is some quick audits for this token also on Dex Screener. And there's a couple on Dex Tools as well, but you should always have a look at the quick audits here. Now, their quick intel security audit says no issues, but the Go Plus security audit says 2 issues. So they could be conflicts, and it's kind of weird how there is a conflict. So for some reason, quick intel security says that there is no blacklisting and no whitelisting. But then Go Plus Security says there is blacklisting and whitelisting. And so it's hard to say, which one's right. Why would one say yes, one say no? But there is, warnings on there. So definitely take that into account when thinking about getting this token. It does say buy and sell tax is 0% in the audit, though, as well. So, but yeah, the golden retriever of Matt Furie, creator of Pepe, has his own dog token now, Izzy. So check this token out and let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there. If you want to help support the channel, you can hit that join button. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.